Gentlemen, ladies, and those of you who are confused of what room you're supposed to go into when you gotta take a leak, welcome back to the shop, or what's left of it. Notice anything missing? Got about a few more days left here, and just wanted to give you a quickie video on a really cool product that I've been using lately. There it is. Tub O Towels. Check this out. These little wipes, which, by the way, not the easiest to use when you're one-handed, but, you know, whatever. Clean your tools. I can't stress it enough. You got time to work, you've also got time not to look like a fucking slob. Little bit of rub, not a whole lot. I know it's a pain in the ass to do when it's one-handed, but barely touches it. It comes out looking like brand new. This stuff beats using brake cleaner, which can hurt plastics and some rubber. I haven't used brake cleaner on this one yet, but some of my older ones I have, and that was before I learned about this Tub of Tools stuff. God, it's just good shit. Look at that. Barely touched the tool and it's clean. Imagine what it does to your hands. You know, work surface. You know, now you could have your lunch on this damn thing. You know, fucking, what, $10? You know, look at this. We'll just do this one here. This side of the impact. We'll just spin it around, give you an idea. Look at the difference. Pretty shitty looking. Looks like brand new. So, yeah. That's it for today. You get this at the usual scumbags. I Don't Know Zone. Advance. North American Parts Association. Hell, even some of your tool trucks carry it. I use it on everything. Myself, my tools. Here, I'll show you here on this. You know, you can. It doesn't hurt the paint. You know, it's got a. It just works. You know, look at this. Pretty dingy right there. I'm using a dirty one of these, and this drawer is coming out looking like brand new. Anyways, that's Tub O Towels. Thanks for watching.